A while back, I made this traditional style saw handle for this no-name saw. I made it in one piece, and it needed supports to have the slot to accommodate the saw plate. I never uploaded it because in one part this saw is no-name, and it is unlikely anyone will be able to make use of the design as it is. And also those supports were really difficult to remove. So I've since corrected this in my newest design, and I kept the ergonomics of the traditional style handle, but I also included the modern 90 and 45 degree reference angles because that's handy to have. And this one is made in the three pieces with the center spacer that matches the thickness of the saw plate. And it's the same concept that I used when I made the dovetail saw, and I used the same thing. It's a spacer the same width as the saw plate. This one's got dowels, just like the dovetail saw did to locate everything and keep it tightly together. I was going to glue this, but I haven't done so with this one. The bolts are holding it here. The dowels keep everything from sliding, and it feels pretty secure, so I haven't bothered. Not bad. This tooth profile is not my favorite, but hey, this was pretty cheap. It was on clearance at, the blade that is, was on clearance at Princess Auto. May still be if you're watching this in November of 2022. And works good. Another one for the collection.